And now we can have conversation together. Please answer my questions. Do you live far from your parents? How far? Do you own anything? Have you had a difficult day this week? Do you feel lucky in life? How often do you travel on a ship? Is anybody in your family a complicated person? How many passengers can get into your car? When was the last time you used a suitcase? Can you name 2 uncles and aunts? Have you ever lost your keys? And now write down what you hear. He is very sad because his dog died last night. Going to school is so boring for me. She won't make any profit of it. Are you on duty on Thursday? Our nephew is coming to see us next weekend. And now translate. How would you solve it? This information is not available. Her life has been so hard. We will do it according to you. Those fees were so high. You should ask the owner. I'm not satisfied with such solution. I have great respect for his knowledge. As far as I know, he didn't pay anything. I am a bit unhappy about her new job. And now create sentences from following words. Common. Basically. Unpack. Storm. Deadline. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.